Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Yancy Art. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. This piece that you're looking at is not my piece alone. I think it was May or June, I don't remember right now. I was in Dublin for the Fluid Art Boutique, and I was helping out Erica Hughes in her classes. And after her first class, we had some extra time, and we decided that all of the students, and as well as Erica and myself, would be painting this piece. So we're using leftover colors. We're just everyone is taking a turn, putting on whatever they think they want color-wise, and after the colors have been added, we also take turns doing to the painting what we feel like. It was a lot of fun, and it actually came out really great. People seem to be a little happy, a little too happy for my taste with the yellow. And I know that Erica also had some issues when we saw all that yellow being poured onto the painting, but when it was my turn, as you will see, I just decided to add blue mixed with the yellow, so that once we were done, I knew that a lot of it would turn green, and it did, and it came out really beautiful. You will also see at some point I'm using a very special tool that Erica had brought. If I have a similar tool at home, mine is a fly swatter. Not a very functional fly swatter, but now I have some ideas of what I could actually use it for. It's like a plastic whisker, I guess, and you can spread it out and you can make some really cool lines. So I really hope that you enjoy this. I think that Erica has actually put the piece up for auction. I'm not sure. You would have to contact her and find out if she still has it, if you're interested in it. I think it's a really cool piece. I hope that I wish that I could have taken it home with me, but that was not possible. But yeah, enjoy this very quick painting video, and let me know what you think in the comments. I hope that you enjoy it. You all take care. I'll play some music from now on. Bye.